And as promised earlier, we're keeping an eye on the developments there in Pretoria, where Enlightened Christian Gathering leader Shepherd Bushiri and his wife Mary are back in court this morning. The two are expected to apply for bail in the Pretoria Specialised Crimes Court following their brief appearance on Monday. And members of the church have already started gathering outside the court, as we saw earlier. So let's cross once again to our reporter Mulemo Mutua, who is in Pretoria, to give us the latest from that commercial crimes court. It's over to you, Mulemo.
Good morning. We actually coming to you live from Pretoria Specialized Crimes Court, and I'm just standing outside the court building, just at the door leading inside the court building, and we understand that any time from now, Prophet Bushiri and his wife may arrive. We understand that the case may start or is going to be starting at 9 o'clock. And earlier on, we actually arrived here just after 6 o'clock, and already a large crowd of ECG church members and supporters were here to pledge their support for their prophet and his wife. And we saw on Monday as well, as they were here, pledging support for the Bushiris, even saying that without them being released, they are not going to vote. And we spoke to the ECG lawyer as well on Monday, who also indicated that actually what is happening right now is not amazing to the prophet himself, because at one of his services he highlighted that he's going to be arrested, and which is part of the work that he is doing for the Lord. And we also understand that the prophet and his wife will be represented by Bushiri, who once also represented former Paralympian athlete Oscar Pistorius. And if I can just tell a bit about that, Bushiri won't be a stranger to Prophet Shepherd Bushiri, because last year around March as well, he represented him in a case where there were people who actually had organized a hashtag fake prophets must fall march, in which they had his pictures on their posters and as well as in their Facebooks. And Bushiri also represented Prophet Shepherd Bushiri, who actually interdicted the organizers of the march from using his pictures there. And this morning, it's actually it remains to be seen when the bail application proceedings start, as to whether the major prophet and his wife will be released or not.
Latest coming from Pretoria and the Commercial Crimes Court there, our reporter Mulemo Mutua, following that particular story.